XSEED English Grade 5th, Block number 7, Writing a Review, Lesson Plan 1, Subject and Predicate. Students will be able to write a complete sentences using a subject and a predicate. The fish sing in the tree. What is wrong with the sentence? What should change in the sentence? Yes, the birds sing in the trees. We changed the noun to match the verb. For a sentence to make sense, the noun and the verb must match. Today we will solve a word search puzzle and match the nouns with the action in sentence. The first letter of the noun is I and the word has 5 letters. The action tells me that the noun became independent in 1947. I think the noun is India. Search for the word India in the puzzle and circle it. Yes, it is in the last second line. Dash protect our country from the enemies. It starts with the S word. Now anyone can guess what this word is? Yes, soldiers protect our country. The dash gave orders to his battalion. The colonel gave orders to his battalion. The dash of soldiers went to war. The battalion of soldiers went to war. The dash gave the orders in the court. The judge gave the orders in the court. The dash are large pieces of moving ice. The glaciers are large pieces of moving ice. Firemen saved the burning house. The farmers are working in the cotton field. These are the answers. Now search for the words in the crosswords. These are the answers. The noun in a sentence is called the subject. The action part of a sentence is called the predicate, and it always includes a verb. The predicate tells more about the subject. A sentence must have both a subject and a predicate. The predicate tells us what the subject is or does. We read the predicate and thought about the subject that fits the best. For example, the predicate "are working in the cotton field" gave us a clue about the word farmers. The predicate also told us if the subject was singular or plural. A singular verb has a singular subject, a plural verb has a plural subject. For example, glaciers are large pieces of moving ice. Since the verb are is plural, the subject glaciers is also plural. We can use and write two subjects in a sentence. For example, the colonel and the soldiers fought bravely. This is called a compound subject. We can use and write two predicates in a sentence. For example, the farmers plowed their fields and sowed seed. This is called a compound predicate. Now students, open your S1 and let's start doing it. Circle the subject and underline the predicate in each sentence. One has done for us. Meena is the subject. Typed on the computer keyboard is predicate. Now next, your gloves are made of wool. Your gloves are subject and made of wool are predicate. Karthik is playing cricket with his friends. Karthik is subject, is playing cricket with his friend, and the students finished their work quickly. The students are subject, finished their work quickly is predicate. The baby cried all night. The baby is subject, cried all night is predicate. Complete the sentences by choosing the correct subject. Dash are large orange cats with black strips. Tigers. The dash are playing outdoors. The children are playing outdoors. The dash is sailing from India to Africa. The ship is sailing from India to Africa. The dash are performing a difficult operation. The doctors are performing a difficult operation. The dash is very juicy. The mango is very juicy. Write a complete sentence using the given nouns as subjects. Pilot. A pilot flies a plane. Next word is clouds. The clouds hide the sun. Last question. We went to the shop, we bought caps. Make a compound subject and predicate. We went to the shop and bought caps. Raj helped his mother cook food. Sarah helped her mother cook food. Make a compound subject and predicate. Raj and Sarah helped their mother cook food.